Hey, it's Smurf. I'm eating Skittles. Yeah. What is up with my hair? I have no idea. But anyway. Do I have school tomorrow? No, I don't. Today's Saturday. Why do I wear I have school on Sunday? Oh my god! The only Skittles left are green. Look at that. Taste the rainbow. Hard to eat with this then. Well, where's my purple hippo? Sorry, I have an obsession with my purple hippo. It's a stuffed animal. And I don't know where it is. So, while I go look for that, go watch more of our videos. Yeah, bye.